Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, then please take a moment to subscribe it as it really means a lot to me, and also hit that bell button which is sitting just beside that. So in this video, I'm going to talk to you about a brand which is my favorite, and that is Sugar Cosmetics. So I love this brand because of several reasons. So let me tell you exactly how the products are, what is the price, and from where you can purchase it in affordable budget. So this is a completely non-sponsored video, so you can trust my review. So without any further ado, let's begin this video. So the first product about which I am going to say is this Sugar Cosmetic, the Most Allergy Blur Smoothing Primer. And this is how it looks like. It has a tube packaging. I love the packaging. The color is really good and the packaging is really sleek and travel friendly as well. So I love the packaging. This one is costing for rupees 799, but you will get several discounts on Nykaa.com, on the Sugar Cosmetic websites as well. Apart from that, Amazon is also having this product. Let me show you the consistency. So this comes in this kind of a color. And this claims to be the most allergy blurred primer. So primers are meant to tighten up your pores, to fill your pores basically, and to give your makeup a long lasting stay. So yes, it stays on what it claims, but not to that extent. Means I have used several primers and this is okay type, not something on which you can rely the most. This is not the best primer in the market, but the thing which I like about this primer is just completely matte. So for all those who belongs to oily skin family like my family, you can try it, and for those who belongs to dry skin family, they can apply a nice moisturizer and then they can apply this primer. So the next product about which I'm going to talk is this corrector, and this is the Face Forward Corrector Stick, and this is in the 02 shade Onward Orange. Now this one is costing for rupees 799 again. So they are having multiple shades according to your requirement. I was having some kind of pigmentation on my face, so that is the reason I purchased this orange corrector. So the color is really intense, so I used to just pat it on my hand first, and then from that I used to pick it with the help of my hand and apply it on those areas which are really pigmented like this one and the under eyes area. Creamy consistency, so it is very easily blendable for all the skin type family. So this is in a creamy consistency. Let me show you. So this is how the color is, and let me show you how it actually blends. So you can see it blends pretty well. There are several shades you can pick according to your requirement. I was having pigmentation as I told you, so that is the reason I went with this orange corrector. The next product which I don't have, and that is the Sugar Foundation. I never tried Sugar Foundation as I was really happy with the L'Oreal and the Nykaa one. But soon I'm thinking to give it a try because it's my duty to review all the products. Though I don't have, but I've heard that they are having a great range of products which is suitable for oily skin and then dry skin. But at this moment I really cannot comment because I have not used it. Now moving on to the next one, and this is the Sugar All Set to Go Banana Powder. So I don't like the packaging that much because the packaging is really messy, but this mirror is winning my heart, and it comes with this kind of applicator, a puff. So why I'm saying this packaging a little messy, because see, here is a tape or a sticker which is given here. So if you open the whole sticker, it will come like a volcano. So I won't really recommend you to open entire sticker, rather just open it to half and then you can just take it out and apply it. So the packaging I don't like. So I just tried this product once when it landed to my home, and the texture is really fine. So it is setting all the criteria of banana powder, and the tint is good. The tint is actually yellow, so all those who belongs to my skin family and who want to just instantly brighten up their under eyes area, they can try it. It's my recommendation because I've used it once, but I'm going to try it in my upcoming video soon, so stay tuned to see how it's actually going to look like on camera also. The next product about which I'm going to talk is this Sugar Cosmetic Contour de Force Mini Blush, and it is in the shade 03 Mauve Marble. So let me tell you a small story about myself. I am a person who doesn't like blush at all because it is really tough to find a perfect blush for a deeper skin family. For those who can relate with me, they can understand. So from my childhood, I was really no to blush. But when I got this blush, I realized that this is a major part of your makeup which I was missing. So I really love this blush, and the words are less to describe how it actually make my face feel like, make my makeup feel alive. So right now also I've applied this blush, and the pigmentation is very good for all the dusky skin family. So this is a complete recommendation. This is a complete yes blush. So you can try this blush, and trust me guys, you are going to thank me later for this blush, because till date I didn't got my hand on such a great blush which I am having right now. And this one is costing for rupees 350, so it is pretty affordable. So all the dusky girls here, go and try this blush. You will love this blush because you can sense from my voice also I'm really excited to introduce this. This is my, I think this is, after lipstick, this is my favorite product from Sugar. Now let me show you exactly how it looks like. The color also. So let me show you on my hand so that you can relate. Looking like I have played Holi right now. So this is how it looks like. It does not look awkward on your face at all. Believe my word, this is not going to look awkward on your face. Now moving on to the next one, and this is this Sugar Cosmetic Contour de Force Mini Bronzer, and this is in the shade Woody Wonder. This product is a little miss from Sugar ends actually, because they don't have that great shade range when it comes to dusky beauties. So they are having only two shades in which I have purchased a darker shade, still it is lighter to my skin. So this is not going to help me in the contour part. My skin is super oily. So that was the reason I went with this powder contour, but this is not helping me as I'm still on the QK Beauty contour. Though they are also having 3 shade range only, but still Sugar should introduce more shade range for the duskier beauty so that it will be very easy for us to have our hands on Sugar Cosmetic, because some of the products are really good, but this product is a little disappointed from my end. This one is costing for rupees 350 again, and the packaging is pretty good. This has a magnetic packaging which I like. So the only thing I like about this is the packaging, and that's all. This can suit someone who are having a lighter skin tone than me. So the next product is the eye product, and this is the eyeliner which I completely love, and this is the eyebrow pencil. So this eyebrow pencil actually is in the shade, and the name is Arc Arrival Brow Definer, and this is the 604 Felix Oils, which matches my hair color. At one end is the applicator and the next one is the brush. So you can just comb your eyebrows and you can apply it. This is something which I really love, and this is also my go-to. And the next eye product is this eyeliner, and this is Sugar, I told you so. And this product is my love, this product is my bae, because of several reasons. And the first reason being this applicator. This applicator is really precise, so it's very easy to make your wing liner, and for those who are beginners out here, they can easily try it. The cost is a little expensive. I'll mention each and every detail in the description box. But the pigmentation and the stay is really good. The applicator is also very good. So this is complete my recommendation. I have used this eyeliner pencil in, I think, on most of my videos. So I have absolutely zero complaint with it. And the last one is this lip product. The first one is the primer, which is a complete useless thing for me. I don't like. So this is how it looks like. It has a nice applicator. So the primer is meant to make your makeup last long. Same wise, this is meant to make your lip texture a little smooth. For those who are having dry lips can try it. But why I'm saying it's not that great, because you can manage with the lip balm as well. So if you wish, you can take it. It doesn't have any cons, but yes, it doesn't have any pros also. Last but never the least is this Sugar lipstick. Whatever I'll say about this lipstick is less, because you can see the size also. I have just use it like anything. So first time when I was introduced with Sugar was because of this lipstick. So let me tell you about this Sugar Smudge Me Not lipstick. The lipstick has a nice stay, a nice finish. It is a little dry, so you have to apply a nice kind of moisturization, nice kind of lip balm. But the stay is really something which you can feel like a high-end brand. So this is very good, and Sugar has a great lipstick range, so you can trust Sugar lipstick range blindly. And if you are having a wedding this year, you can rush and take their shade. The shade which I am showing you is Hot Hot, and this is fantastic. The lipstick which I am currently wearing is also from Sugar Cosmetic. So these lipsticks are really good. I have no complaint. And the next one, apart from that one thing, this is Smudge Me Not collection. So you can sense from the name that you cannot smudge it, and trust me guys, you cannot just remove it. Even if you're eating something oily, it will not be displaced, and you have to use your makeup remover in order to just remove all the makeup, all the lipsticks around. The next one is this Matte as Hell lip crayon. So you can see the size. This is the shade Baby House Matte. This is very nice color. Let me show you. So this color is something which looks good on every complexion. On the stay is not that great because it is a crayon lipstick, so you have to give touch up. It can displace. Apart from that, Sugar Cosmetic are having great shade range. Something like glossy lipsticks, matte lipsticks, crayon lipsticks, liquid lipstick, every kind of lipstick they are having. So Sugar is winning my heart for this lipstick collection, and apart from that the blush is also something which I will totally recommend without any question, without any excuses. So these two products are something on which you can just rely on my words. You are going to thank me later for it. So with this I am wrapping up my video. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have any question, comments, please do let me know. I'd love to respond. So till then guys, take care. I'll see you guys in the next one.